Hello and welcome to this Volkswagen car sales video on this 67 Reg Mark 7.5 Golf GTD DSG 5-door. It's in Indium grey. It's done 54,000 miles. It's had 4 registered keepers, but the first 2 were husband and wife who decided to add another keeper for insurance reasons, and then it was sold to a retired gentleman from Staffordshire and he offered it to me directly. I sold it to a chap from Warwick who put about 7,000 miles on it since he bought it about a year ago, traded it in for a 2020 7.5 Golf GTI Performance DSG 5-door, not in grey. It's in exceptional condition inside and out, but I think the unique selling point of this car is the spec, although that means nothing if the condition and the history don't stack up, for me anyway. So I think when I sold it a year ago, I concluded it had pretty much, I think it had every option from new apart from DCC adaptive suspension. Excuse me. So we've got 19-inch Brescia wheels, we've got self-parking system, parallel parking, we've got panoramic glass sunroof, we have leather, we have Kezi keyless entry, we have rear view camera, we have lane assist, which you're probably not interested in, along with blind spot monitoring, which is a bit cooler, flashes in the mirror if something's in your blind spot. We've also got rear traffic alert, which will monitor traffic behind you if you're backing out of a parking space, saying like a supermarket. We have got 90% tints from the B pillar back, which are factory. What else? Climate windscreen, which it's very subtle because it's automatic really. It's got an oily tinge to the screen, which is the climate windscreen function. There's probably something else I've forgotten. But yeah, it's a very complete spec. I think the only thing I think this car should have is electric memory seats, because my Hong Kong import has, but that's not an option for the UK market. We'll look in the interior shortly anyway. As far as I can tell, it's original paintwork. There's nothing dodgy. It's just really nice paint in Indium grey, probably one of the better colours, but it's very subjective. A few chips touched in, but overall it's brilliant. Original front and rear number plates. It was sold by Volkswagen dealer down in Indian Queens in Cornwall. That's where the first owner's mum lived, although he was from Staffordshire, and he actually traded it in for a Honda, and it was bought by the second real owner, the third registered keeper, who I bought it from. He bought it from Honda in Stafford, I think Brindley Honda. So it's a known history from new car. It's got a full service history, I think every receipt from new as well, and the last owner, who had it for a year, had it serviced by a specialist in Warwick. MOT is October. The wheels are, I had 2 refurbished last time, not sure which, but they're good. They're not perfect though, so there's a couple of bits of corrosion on the back wheels. I'll show you the other ones shortly. Tyres are all Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. They're all, I mean, that feels like new, and I think that was on there when I sold the car to the last owner. The fronts are a little bit more worn, but I'd say no more worn than 4 to 5 mil. So you've got a good set of tyres. Brakes replaced by the last owner, previous owner quite recently. For Delphi ones, which have worn pretty well, a bit of corrosion on the bells, but they've got loads of meat and no lip at all. The backs were replaced by the last owner within the last year, so they are, yeah, they're not vented actually, so they're not like a GTI, so they're a bit cheaper to do. Bit of corrosion on that wheel as well, but the fronts, I think, are perfect. That's it. So yeah, this side's great as well. There's no dents, no nothing. It's just amazing really, because it's coming up for its 10th birthday. It's under 10 years old though, which means I can sell it with a really good warranty, which is platinum cover, which is really comprehensive. Over 10 years, it gets a little less comprehensive. In here, original mats, great condition. Bolsters, really good. Steering wheel's good. Door cards are all good. 53,807 miles. And in the back here, I don't think it's had kids taking it apart, so it's really good. Though the last owner, I think he took his grandchildren out in it every so often, but he has nothing. It didn't take very long to clean this car, which makes a pleasant change. Complete book pack in there, SD card for the nav. It's got Apple CarPlay, of course, which all 7.5s have got. Heated seats as well. Let's have a look in the boots. This comes with a load liner, which seems to be a common thing with the people I buy cars from, which is a good sign. It's absolutely immaculate in there. It's a genuine VW flexible load liner. Dynaudio sub in there. Space saver spare wheel. No bolt heads disturbed. Let's have a look under the bonnet now. Pan roofs around, by the way, both sides. It's all perfect and no cracking. So there we have it, 184 PS, metric horsepower Golf GTD, 7-speed DSG on this 7.5, nice smooth gearbox. What's important with all Golf GTDs, even ones that were 2013 registered, is that they are all Euro 6 compliant. That means you can drive them in ULEZ and CAS clean air zones with no charges, which not many people know about because journalists tend to say cars built before the Euro 6 rules came in 2015 or 2016, you'll have to pay charges on. Well, that's not true because a lot of manufacturers preempted the introduction of Euro 6. So it's a clean car and I don't think tax is going to change on it an awful lot. It's a post-2017 car as well, so it's relatively low tax. I think a couple £100 a year or thereabouts. I suppose we should start it up. It's keyless entry. So foot on the brake, press that. There can be a delay being a diesel when it's cold, but it's not cold now. Into drive, and then creep is the most important thing for me. So take your foot off the pedals, take the parking brake off. It's got auto hold, and the car should pull away smoothly without any throttle, which it does. So guys, there we have this very nice, very high spec Golf GTD for sale here at Volkswizard. If you need any more information, do not hesitate to get in touch with me by email, andrew@volkswizard.co.uk. There you go, CarPlay. Thanks for watching.